Warm greetings to everyone. This video is an overview of the research work that we have been undergoing under Leading India AI and our mentor Mr. Rohit Kumar Kalyar since past 5 weeks. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Pallavi, a final year undergrad from IIIT Bhubaneswar. I, along with my teammates, under the supervision of Mr. Rohit Kalyar sir, have been working on the evaluation of shallow and deep classifiers for rumor detection. I would now like to request my teammate Jyoti to take over.
So hi everyone, my name is M. Lakshika Jyoti. I am a research scholar from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vinayaka Mission Kribananda Variyar, Engineering College, Salem, Tamil Nadu. So I am happy to introduce myself, and I have joined the internship at Leading India AI from May 11, 2020. So the team members are Pallavi Das and myself, and I'm happy to introduce my mentor, Mr. Rohit Kumar Kalyar. And our project title is Evaluation of Shallow and Deep Classifiers for Rumor Detection. So let's get started. The social media platform or microblogs are becoming the victim of spreading fake news or rumors, and it is very easy because these days, knowingly or unknowingly, we become a victim of spreading them and posing negative impact on the society. Even though many rumor debugging services are available, need for automatic rumor detection system is essential. At the era of artificial intelligence, deep learning is gaining its attention as it is outperforming the traditional machine learning techniques with the highest accuracy till date. Hence, we use natural language processing techniques to understand news articles since our dataset consists of text-based data in them. So in our project, we tried building shallow and deep CNN models, and by training the dataset and then testing them to know how best the model classifies the given context and see if it is rumor or not. The dataset considered for this project includes FEAM, Fake News Net, Fake News COVID-19, CO8. Feed is a tweets with a collection of rumors and non-rumors contents by the user from 5 different events such as Ottawa shooting, Sydney siege, Charlie Hebdo, Germanwings plane crash, Ferguson with a total instances of 1,3211 entries. Fake News Net is a collection of news content with 4 files. We have considered Gossip, Cop, Fake and Real CSV files with a total instances of 21335 entries. Fake News COVID-19 is the news article or rumor related to COVID-19 with a total instances of 69,976 entries. The final dataset is the CO8. It's a very small dataset on health misinformation and user social engagement with a total of 2,162 instances.
Thank you for the brief introduction. Moving next, we have the model description that we have built to classify the rumors. We initially built a shallow neural network with very few convolutional and dense layers and trained them only with 2 of our datasets. After testing our model, we went on to build a deeper neural network by increasing the convolutional layers to extract more intricate features from our data. We have used 4 convolutional followed by max pooling layers, which then are fed sequentially to our 4 dense layers in our deep CNN model. On analyzing both the models, we believed that there might be a chance that we are losing our global features. We then went to implement the hybrid CLSTM model to have both local and global temporal features. We did this by feeding the output of the convolutional layer to the LSTM layer followed by dense layers. We have also implemented the multi-channel convolutional neural network model where parallel CNN can read text with different n-gram sizes. We trained our model on all the 4 datasets to achieve significant results. I will briefly try to summarize the results we have obtained from all the models The graphs over here represent the training and the testing accuracies versus the data sets used. We have here a comparison of each model with different data sets. As mentioned earlier as well, we can see with just few convolutional layers, we have been able to get around 84% of testing accuracy when two dense layers are applied. Even when our model is training very well, we have achieved a better accuracy on the FAME dataset on a simpler neural network. Next, we shall see the deeper convolutional neural network. We tested our model on 4 datasets, and we can see that the best results on testing was obtained by the model when trained and tested on fake news COVID-19 dataset. And all others also gave satisfactory results with mostly more than 90% of testing accuracy. Next, moving on with the CLSTM model, we could identify even better results, be it training or testing the model. We believe that the CLSTM model was able to capture both the local features of phrases as well as the global and temporal sentences semantics. Next, the multi-channel and even more dense as a network performed very well on all datasets, especially on fake news COVID-19, and gave more than 90% training accuracy on 3 datasets and more than 90% testing accuracy on 2 of our datasets, which is quite appreciable. I would like to conclude on the note that we have successfully implemented different shallow as well as deep models to classify the rumors. We have observed from our research and experiments that deep learning models could more accurately classify the rumors compared to the conventional machine learning models. All our models have given more than 80% accuracy on training and testing, with some giving exceptionally good results of more than 95% on testing. We can hence generalize our models, which can be extensively used by future researchers. We, the team members, feel very fortunate to have got the chance to work under leading India AI and our mentor, Mr. Rohit Kalyar sir, who has led us throughout the internship, guided us in the best possible way, and have supported us with every necessary materials, resources, and references. We are thankful and obliged for getting the opportunity to be mentored by Rohit sir, as we could have achieved nothing without his directions and consistent input into the project.